Hello everyone, for today's tutorial. I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu Server on PC. Okay, first of all, we have to go to the ubuntu-downloads.com and then you locate for the Ubuntu Server and then you get Ubuntu Server download. I have already downloaded, so I will skip this download file. Okay, then you're gonna move to another tab and look for the rufus.ie. Then you can download the Rufus here. Okay. And then you need to have one flat disk and insert the flat drive into your PC. Okay, then you open Rufus. Okay, here on the Rufus property, you have to choose which drive you want to use at your pen drive or your thumb drive. Okay, USB stick for example. So here on your device, I have already one USB stick here on my laptop, so it will pop up as default. Okay, and then move down a bit for boot selection. You just click on select, and then you go to your Ubuntu Server file download. Here I have downloaded into my drive D. Okay, I'm looking for the Ubuntu Live server here. Okay, I make it open. Then you hit on the start and hit OK. Hit OK again. Okay, when we have finished, we hit on close here. Okay, after we have made the installation this, next we're gonna use the bootable USB disk to install the Ubuntu Server. I'm going to install the Ubuntu Server on this old PC here. Okay, let's have a look for the specification that have shown on the screen. Okay, and then when I'm gonna show you this USB stick that we have just created in the first step, and then we just insert it. The USB stick into the PC, and here is a LAN cable that's connected internet home LAN cable here. That's we gonna access the internet. So don't forget to connect the LAN cable as well. And then we're gonna start to install the Ubuntu Server. Okay, you have to paste Del on the keyboard in order to go to the CMOS setup utility. After that, you move to Advanced BIOS feature. You enter and then move to the hard disk drive. You hit enter and then you press page up in order to switch USB SANDISK into the top position for the first drive. After that, you press F10 on the keyboard in order to save the configuration. And now the system will reboot again and will boot from the USB stick Okay, now on this window, you will see the try or install Ubuntu Server. You hit enter. Okay, now on the Windows screen, use up and down enter key to select your language. For this window, I'm going to use English, so hit enter. And then for the next window is asking us for choose the keyboard layout below. So the layout and the variant should be English US. Okay, hit enter. Next, choose the base for installation. Then we about to install the standard Ubuntu server, which is the default installation contain a current set of packets. Okay, we have to hit enter on our keyboard. Okay, and then will be the configuration about the network, which is I have already connected the internet LAN into the network card, so the DHCP IP address from the router here. So we can hit enter to continue. And for the proxy address, normally we don't have the proxy address at home, but maybe in the office, if we have set up the proxy address, it might be have. But at home, normally we don't have the proxy address, so we will skip it set up by hit enter. Done. Okay. As well as for the mirror address, we will use it as default here. We click on done. Okay. Then an option for the storage of installation. We're gonna have like a use entire disk, which is in my case would be the SATA SSD from the Western menu. So I will use the local disk and an entire disk. However, in your case, you might want to custom storage layout. But in my case, I will use entire disk. Okay, hit enter. And then I will hit file system summary. I will use its all default here. After that, this is confirm an action. So I will continue this setup configuration. Okay. And then I will type my name. I will type is my com. My server's name is my com as well. Pick a username is my com. Choose passwords. I would recommend you to jot down on the paper or maybe on your mobile phones in order to use it reference as a reference, because later we have gonna use the password in order to log into Ubuntu server. For this one, upgrade machine to Ubuntu for security update on much wider. Enable Pro or skip for now. Anyway, for this tutorial, I will skip for now and then I hit continue. Install Open LTS server in order to secure remote access from another machine. So we have to install Open LTS server. So I hit enter here. And then move his enter here, and then move the cursor to done. These are an package option that we can install, select and install if we want to. But for this one, I will skip it and hit done. After that, the installing system is on execution, and then it take quite some time. So for this screen window, we can have a relax and wait for the installation to finish. Okay, now on the screen says that we can move to the reboot now. In order to make a reboot, I would recommend you to go to the backs of your PC, your machine, and then remove the USB stick from your USB port in order to make a reboot. Okay. Okay, you hit enter again. Now the system is about to. Congratulations, if you see this window, that means you have successful install Ubuntu Server. You hit enter and then will display the mycom logins, so you can type your computer name, mycom here, and then hit enter. It will asking for password, so just enter the password to go into the. Okay, for this time when you log in with your password, you will see the dollar sign. That means you in the administrative of the Ubuntu server. The first thing to make sure that you run the latest and for safe and secure, I would recommend to use the sudo app update. Hit enter and then enter your password. Okay, now the Ubuntu server is checking the latest file and the package. It says that there are 24 packages can be upgraded. So we can use the sudo app upgrade and hit enter. And then you want to continue, we just press Y and hit enter. The Ubuntu server is about to upgrade to the latest file and package. Okay, and thank you for your watching, and next video I will share with you guys about how to install the service on Ubuntu server, such as the Apache tool or maybe SAM, which is we can have the web service or maybe the PHP MyAdmin in order to develop some database, web database. Okay, and thank you everybody for your watching. See you.